Hi guys, it's House of Rose and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm doing a collab with Ft.DSoar hair. They sent me this 5x5 closure and I believe the hair was 22 inches when I received it, but I did give it a little trim, so that's why the hair is this length now. My stylist added on these red and green tips. You can't really see the green in this lighting, but yeah, she did that. I definitely do love this closure. Like, I don't like closures. If you guys know, like, you've been on my channel for a while, you know I hate closures and I love front tools, but this, but yeah, if you guys want to get this installed, don't forget to wait. If you guys want, I always do that. Every single time I try to record that part, I always mess up. If you guys want to get this installed, continue watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Okay, jumping right into the video. So Brittany's cutting off the lace, and as you guys can see, that is some good lace. It is blending. Okay, we didn't put the glue down, and we did not melt it yet. So yeah, Brittany customized the frontal, as in plucked it and bleached the knots beforehand. And yeah, so right now she's just pulling the frontal back, well, closure back, so she can put the glue down. She's removing my makeup as well, because you do not want the makeup and the glue to mix in, because that will look disgusting. And yeah, and as always, Brittany is going to use the Hold Me Down glue by Erica J, and she is putting on 2 layers of this. I just didn't feel like the need to put in the 2 layers, because that's like, you know, extra for no reason. You guys are not going to see that. But yeah, she's using 2 layers, and yeah, so once this turns clear, then she will be pulling down the lace and putting it on the glue. So that is what she is doing now. So she is just pulling that down and pressing it into the glue. Okay, so now the wig is glued down, she's going to be cutting off the extra lace, and then she's going to be straightening out that part for me to make it nice and pretty. And then she's going to be grabbing that wax stick, and then you can use any wax stick that you got, whatever. And then she's going to be taking the hot comb and placing it on my closure, so I can say frontal, to get it nice and flat. And now we're jumping into the baby hairs. So I'm only doing 3 baby hairs, and that's going to be the 2 on the side and the 1 in the middle. Okay, so what she's using to do my edges is got to be, as always. And yeah, she's going to be swooping those, and if they're long, that's why she took the scissor and snipped the extra length off that she does not want. Okay guys, so now that she's done with the baby hair, she's gonna go in with some black hairspray, and she's gonna make that part sharp for me. She did not do the front because it would look too harsh, and you know how people be looking. Y'all know, but I'm so wild. Now she is just gonna give me some curls, because you know I love some curls in my hair. And I didn't really do no slow motions in this video because you can see like it is what it is. Like it's giving life already. Like period. Okay. So yeah, after she does the curls, she's gonna be combing through my hair, and that's gonna be the clips of me showing the hair for you guys, and that's basically all the video. So I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
What we do here is go back.